Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Saturday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over, and man, do we have some amazing deals to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Now, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other videos that you might want to go and check out. We have new clearance markdowns, new penny lists, surprise pennies. We have run deals, run glitches, even a couple going on at Walgreens. We also have a 3-day sale going on at Dollar General. Plus, I uploaded 2 videos yesterday, and I know that a lot of people missed out on those 2 videos yesterday because typically this happens whenever I upload more than 1 video a day. Notifications won't be sent out, or the video won't show up in the subscription feed. So a lot of people miss out on those videos whenever I upload more than 1. So if you missed those videos, I uploaded a 5 off $25 prep video going over tons of coupon matchups, tons of substitutions that you can use today in your scenarios. And then yesterday evening, I uploaded a video talking about totes. We have tons of sales going on right now on totes. You are going to see one of those deals included in this video that we're watching right now. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. All right, so for our first scenario, some of you all may actually recognize this deal because we have had this a couple of times over the last few months. This is a super simple and easy cat food deal. So for this deal, you want to pick up 6 of the 3.15 pound bags of Friskies dry cat food. Those are priced at $5.85 each. And that's going to put your subtotal at $35.10. The coupons that you're going to need is, of course, your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 5 off 25 Friskies DG store coupon, and yes, those do stack and work together, and the 5 off 3 Friskies manufacturer coupon. After coupons, you're paying $21.10, but the deal doesn't stop there because you're going to submit your receipt to Shop Me In. We do have a manufacturer coupon on there, 5 off 3 for the Friskies dry cat food. So you're going to get $5 back through Shop Me In. You're also going to submit your receipt to Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars. You have to pick one or the other. We do have a $5 offer on there as well for when you purchase 3. And then we also have DG Cash, 75 cents back on each bag of the cat food. There is a limit of 5, so you're getting a total of $3.75 back. So after everything's said and done, that's going to make your final price $6.35 for 6 items, making each bag just $1.05 each, and you're walking away with about 19 pounds of cat food. Now, I've already done this deal several times, like I said, over the last few months, and I will definitely be doing it again today. All right, next up, for this scenario, you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft 4-count bath tissue at $3.95, one of the Bounty Essentials 6-count paper towels at $5.60, 2 of the Fabuloso cleaners at $3.15 each, one of the Airwick starter kits at $12.75, 1 Airwick warmer at $4, and 2 American greeting cards at 50 cents each. That's going to put your subtotal at $33.60. Here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After coupons, you're going to pay $10.60 for 8 items. But the deal doesn't stop there because we do have a $6 DG cashback offer on the Airwick starter kits. Now, those have been stacking and working together for me just fine this week. So if it stacks for you, you're going to get back $6 for the Airwick starter kit. That is going to make your final price $4.60 for 8 items, making each one just 57 cents each. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind that with these DG cashback offers, it can take a few days for that to show up on your account. Typically for me, they show up within a few hours, but I have had to wait a couple of days for those offers to show up. So if it doesn't immediately show up on your account, don't worry, just give it some time and hopefully it will show up within a couple of days. All right, now for our next scenario, we're going to start this one off with a glitch, and I am very, very shocked that this glitch is still working, but I tried it yesterday evening and it is in fact still working at old register stores. So what you want to do is pick up 3 of the Bounce 34 count dryer sheets at $2 each, one of the Gain liquid or flings at $9.95. One of the Airwick 2-count oil refills at $6.25. One of the Angel Soft 8-count bath tissue at $5.95. One of the Vicks 20-count cough drops for $1. One of the Always Discreet 26-count liners at $3.25. And 2 American greeting cards priced at 50 cents each. And that's going to put your subtotal at $33.40. Here's a list of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And after coupons, that's going to leave you paying $12.90 for 10 items. But the deal doesn't end there, because we do have that $6 DG cashback offer on the Airwick starter kits, which is glitching and working with the 2-count oil refills. So you should receive $6 back on that. And then we also have a $1 DG cashback offer on the Angel Soft. We are using a coupon on the Angel Soft, so if that stacks, you'll get back $1 in cash back for the Angel Soft. That is going to make your final price $5.90 for 10 items, making each one just 59 cents each. All right, last but certainly not least, this is my favorite deal of the day. And again, if you missed that video that I did on the totes and all the sales that we have going on right now, make sure that you go and check that out. There's visuals, there's in-store pictures, the whole 9 yards. Go and check it out. So for this scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the True Living 30-gallon totes on sale for $15. 3 of the Bounce 34-count dryer sheets at $2 each. 1 of the Airwick 2-count oil refills at $6.25. 1 of the Always Discreet 26-count liners at $3.25. 1 of the Vicks 20-count cough drops at $1. 2 American greeting cards at 50 cents each. And 1 Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. That's going to put your subtotal at $33.50. And here's a list of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. Now, keep in mind that I have used overage in these deals. And overage only applies if you are at an old register store. If you're at a new register store, that coupon will just make the item completely free. So if you are at a new register store, if you plan on going to one today, please adjust for that overage. All right. So after coupons, you're going to pay $15 for 11 items, but you're going to get back $6 on the Airwick refills, and that is going to make your final price $9 for 11 items, making each one just 81 cents each. Y'all, I am so excited for these deals today, and I hope that you all are too. Let me know down in the comment section below, what are your plans? What are you picking up? What are you doing today? Let me know. I would love to hear from you all. So that is going to be it for me for now. I'm going to get ready, run out to Dollar General. I will be making some posts in the community tab throughout the day, so make sure that you stay tuned. And of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Good luck with your deals, and I will see you on the next one.